Joe from Joe's Golden Garage here. Hope everyone's having a wonderful Sunday. It's nice and cool here in Georgia in the 40s. I'm here at my father's house. You've seen a previous video on the F-150 and the video I did last week on the O2 Escape with the dying transmission. Well, that is definitely dead. Dead transmission, dead. My dad had spent $700 on it the day before, getting the intake manifold and all that stuff put on. And he asked me to drive it, and the transmission gave a reverse first and second, just let go. Third and fourth still work, strangely enough. Pretty odd. But anyway, that's not why we're here. We're here because they bought a replacement. Not sure what we're going to do with this one yet. He said he may donate it. He said he may fix it. Who knows? And keep it. But this is the replacement. The 2011 Ford Escape. I think it's an XLT, but it is fully loaded, buddy. Let's see. Fully loaded. Yeah, it's an XLT. It's in very good condition except for just a couple of very small little rock chips here and there, but no door dings. My dad lives down here in the near the Atlanta area, and this car actually came out of my stomping grounds, Chattanooga. Bought new, Mountain View Nissan, stayed in Chattanooga, and then was traded in down here in Atlanta for some reason. I guess they found a better deal down here. But this thing is as close to new for an 8-year-old Escape as you're gonna find. There's another one of those little rock chips. I mean, this thing is so nice. Got great paint, great reflection. Got a brand new set of Firestone destinations on it. It is beautiful. Beautiful. Paid for it too, though. Paid full retail for this baby. Because it was just so nice and so clean. And the Carfax was sexy as hell. Had every single oil change on the Carfax from new. One owner, no wrecks, no accidents. Look at that leather seats. I mean, these leather seats did not haul car seats in little kids. This thing is so clean. I mean, no wear and tear here. No rubbing off of buttons, especially these buttons here. They're the worst to rub off. Yeah, shut up. Oh. No wear on these buttons. So terrible, so bad to rub off. 6-speed automatic. I mean, armrest, seats, everything, carpets. It's got a nice glass moonroof. I mean, it's in amazing condition. Whoever owned and drove this thing had a very delicate and light touch. Just a couple of little rock chips on the hood. Not many. The car has... Holy crap, that hood's heavy. Car has 116,000 miles. It's got the 3-liter Duratec 24-valve V6. Runs like a champ. In these later years, this engine put out 240 horsepower. And buddy, you can feel it. This thing will absolutely scoot, man. But there's no need for that hood to weigh 150 pounds. My God. Oh, what the hell? Alright, let's do a cold start here. Runs like a champ, baby. "45 degrees. Let's get a heated seat going." It's a little cool here in Georgia today. After an exhausting Saturday of SEC football, Georgia and Missouri, what a boring game. Just glad Georgia won, but boring as heck to watch. The LSU Alabama game, though, was quite a exciting game. I was kind of happy to see LSU win that one. I'm about ready for Alabama to fall for a little while. They've been on top for so freaking long. But anyway, we won't talk politics. This little car is cool, man. Holy smokes, it's got power. Cool. I lifted off the throttle there a little bit, and it kind of wanted to hang up. But yeah, man, this thing runs and drives great. What a clean little car. What a good running little car. I mean, it literally drives like new. I mean, it is tight. No clunking. Yeah. This thing is slick. We'll get out here and do a little, see if we can't get a little 0 to 60. I got the sun playing with me this morning on the instrument gauges here. Sorry about that. See if I can get turned a little bit. Ooh, we got a fire. Yeah, we got a fire. Someone's home or a car on I-75 up there is on fire. I don't know if you can see that smoke out through that way. Alright. Definitely got us a fire this morning. Of course, with this being an 11, it has Bluetooth, it has Microsoft Sync, which is nice. I got the nice heated seats. Let's get some climate control going here just a little bit. There we go. Radio sounds great. Yeah, baby. Take it to church. Wheel spin, baby. Holy cow. Man, this thing has got some power. Ooh, got some torque steer too. So yeah, definitely 240 horse. You can feel it, buddy. Holy crap. Man, it's got to go. This thing is way quicker than the old Escape, but the old Escape's transmission wasn't working right. If my dad decides to get it rebuilt, I'll have to do another video on it so I can get a real proper acceleration run on it. I was kind of unable to do that in the first video because the transmission was slipping so bad. There's no problems with this baby. No, siree. This thing is strong. Gosh, and it just runs and drives so good. I mean, the tires, the brand new Firestone Destination LE tires, I mean, they are like brand new. They still have the little nubbies on it. Got a great firm ride, but you know, it soaks up the road imperfections pretty well. You can't feel these tar strip things I'm driving over. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this little rig. Sure is neat. They I tried to find them one at auction. We couldn't find one. My dad found this one at a local dealer here that he buys some of his work trucks from. So I went and looked at it with him. Tried to negotiate some on the price, but the guy was just not budging. He was asking $79.95. We got him down to $7,500. So we got a little bit off, and he threw in a 3,000 mile warranty. So plus tax and everything, we're, you know, a little over $8,000. And then my dad went and had the new tires put on it. The tires that were on it, the tread was okay, but they were nearing the end of their lifespan, so he just went ahead and took it. And it had some new Firestones put on it, which, you know, any car with a new set of shoes, man, always drives really good. So this thing drives great with the new shoes. .240 horsepower, pure raw fury. No, actually, this thing hauls ass. Golly, it's got a little torque steer too, which I'm not crazy about. But yeah, man, this is clean under here. Looks good. Everything smells good. You can't smell anything burning. Just a good runner. This will make a good car. 116,000 miles. Not bad. The old one has about 160 on it. So I just told my dad, I said, hey, just take this one, get the oil changed, and go ahead and have the transmission serviced, just for safety reasons. And it should be good to go. I mean, it shifts fine, but who knows if or when that transmission was ever serviced. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.